Welcome to Module Legends.
Hello everyone, this is your Science 5 third quarter, Module 1, with the title, It's Just Emotion. And I'm your voiceover, Ma'am J.R. Akayan Pendon. Motion is a change in position from a point of reference over time. So in this topic, we will be dealing about motion. Pag sinabi natin motion, change in position from a point of reference over time. For example, try to look at this one. Look at the red car. Meron bang paggalaw? Meron bang motion? Yes. Nagbago ba siya ng posisyon? Yes. So that is motion. When we talk about reference point, it is a steady object or place that determines whether an object is in motion. Pag sinabi nating reference point, yun yung parang base natin. Okay? Palatandaan para masabi natin na ang isang bagay ay gumalaw. For example, in this picture, ang ating magiging reference point ay yung bahay. So, okay? So, if this car comes from far behind, tapos after some time, nandito na siya, mula dito sa bahay na to, so there is motion. So, yun yung reference point. Usually, ang reference point, hindi siya gumagalaw. Another example, dito sa setup na to, sa playground. Let's say, for example, merong little girl sa spot na to. So, ang gagawin nating reference point, pwedeng yung puno, pwedeng yung mismong palaruan. So, after some time, nandito na yung girl. So, is there motion? Yes, merong motion. Kasi based sa ating reference point, gumalaw siya. Okay, for example, sumakay ka ng kotse from Bagong Silang. Okay? After ng ilang minutes, nakita mo, nasa Kamarin ka na. And then after quite some time, narating mo ang Sabarte Town. Is there a motion? Yes. From Bagong Silang, after ng, sabihin natin, several minutes, nakarating ka na sa Sabarte Town, there is motion. Okay, let's talk about speed. When we say speed or bilis in Tagalog, it is a motion of an object that can be measured by computing its speed. Okay, gaano kabilis? Speed is the measure of motion. Gaano kabilis ang galaw niya? That is speed. So, ang speed natin pwedeng slow, mabagal, yung ganyang galaw, or pwedeng ang speed niya ay fast, mabilis. Okay, let's say for example, this one. So, looking at the speed, meron tayong dalawang car. There's a gray and red car. So, nakita natin sila dyan sa spot na yan. After 5 minutes, ganito na yung kanilang position. After 10 minutes, nandito na sila. And then after 15 minutes, ito. Look at the two cars. Parehas ba sila ng pwesto after 15 minutes? No. So, ibig sabihin, sa dalawang car na to, sino ang mas mabilis? Is it the red or the black car or gray car? The answer is, mas fast ang speed ng red. Okay? Kasi mas malayo yung narating niya kumpara sa gray car. Pag sinabi nating speed, meron tayong tinitignan na dalawang elements. Number 1 is the distance. Distansya, length, layo. Gaano kalayo yung kanyang tinahak or trinavel. Pangalawa, time. Gaano kabilis, gaano kaikli or kahaba yung oras na ginugol niya sa paggalaw niyang yun. So, speed is distance and time. So, for example, this one, yung car na to. So, si car, gaano kalayo yung kanyang ginalaw at gaano kabilis. Okay, gaano kabilis siya gumalaw, that is the speed. So, if we're going to compute for the speed, the formula will be speed is equals to distance over time or S equals D over T. So, ang gagawin natin is a division process. So, i-divide natin si distance, yung kanyang distansya, divided by time. Okay, tingnan natin to ha. Let's talk about speed on this one. Let's say, for example, this is Cardo. Si Cardo, manggagaling siya sa kanyang bahay. So, ito yung bahay niya. So, tinakbo niya From bahay, going to post office. After 15 minutes, nakarating siya sa post office. Ang layo ng kanyang tinakbo ay 10 kilometer. Ano ang kanyang distance? Gaano kalayo? 10 kilometer. Ano ang kanyang time na ginugol? That is 15 minutes. Next. So, this is Aliana. So, si Aliana, from house also, pupunta siya ng post office. So, takbo si Aliana. Oh, di ba? From house to post office, okay, 10 kilometer din ang binyahe ni Aliana, pero 10 minutes naman ang kanyang time. So, ang kanyang distance ay 10 kilometer, ang kanyang time ay 10 minutes. Ang tanong, sino ang mas mabilis? Is it Cardo or Aliana? To compare, so, ang gagawin natin, we can compute for the speed. Speed is equals to distance divided by time. So, si Cardo, ang speed niya is equivalent to 10 kilometer divided by 15 minutes. Okay? And Aliana will be 10 kilometer divided by 10 minutes. So, isolve natin yon. 10 divided by 15 is equal to 0.66 kilometer per minute. Kokopyahin lang natin yung dalawang measurement. Okay? Oh, while for Aliana, 10 divided by 10 is equivalent to 1 kilometer per minute. So, binabalang natin yung mga measurement. Okay? So, si Cardo, 0.66 kilometer. Si Aliana, 1 kilometer per minute. Sino mas mabilis? The answer is Aliana. Bakit? Kasi mas malayo at mas mabilis yung tinahak niya kumpara kay Cardo. Okay? Mas mabilis niyang binyahe yung 10 kilometer kumpara kay Cardo. Yan. Siguro kasi takbong runner si Aliana. Okay, again, the computation will be speed is equals to distance over time, or S is equivalent to D divided by T. Another example, red car versus the gray car. Si red car, ang distance ay 25 kilometers. Si gray car, 25 kilometer din. Ang time ng red car ay 5 hours ang binyahe niya. Samantalang si gray car, ang oras ng kanyang biyahe ay 6 hours. So, sino mas mabilis? Tingnan natin. Let's compute. So, for the red car, 25 kilometer divided by 5 hour is equivalent to 5 kilometer per hour. For the gray car, that is 25 kilometer divided by 6, that is 4.17 kilometer per hour. Okay? Sino sa kanilang mas mabilis? The answer is, it should be the red car. Kasi mas mabilis, mas malayo, mas malaki yung kanyang trinavel, mas mabilis siya kumpara sa gray car. Kung ano yung mas bigger number, yun yung mas mabilis. Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na velocity. Pag sinabi natin velocity, ang pinag-uusapan natin, speed, bilis niya pa rin, plus direction. Pag sinabing direction, yun yung ating yung basic natin is the north, south, east, and west. It could also be northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So, etong arrow na to, these are all going for the direction. So, pag sinabi natin velocity, sinasabi lang niya yung bilis ng isang bagay plus may direction. Example, 120 km per hour, yan yung speed, west. So, saan daw papunta? Papuntang west. 120 km per hour, west. So, hindi na speed ang tawag sa kanya, velocity na. Kasi merong direction. 60 miles per seconds, north. So, that is also velocity. 45 miles or 45 meter per 2 minutes, southeast. So, basta tatandaan ninyo, kids, pagka meron na siyang kasamang direction, that is already a velocity. Okay, these words are listed in your SLM Module 1 for Quarter 3 in Science. So, you can go over these words, okay, as a guide in browsing through your lesson. Okay, so that's it. That ends our lesson for Science 5 third quarter, Module 1 with the title, It's Just Emotion. So for any clarifications or questions, please do take time to contact your science teacher, and I'm very sure they are very willing to help you out. So again, this is your voiceover, Ma'am J. Arakayan Pendant, and see you next time. Goodbye.